Like gelato, too much time about to pull back out your condo. Sunshine's made fit, chillin', that's the motto. Do we really wanna take it there?
Girl, it's been too long. Clock done fell off the wall. Been out here writing songs. Where the hell did the time go? Take on my passions with pain, but would you do the same? I'm going so insane, thinking about where you and I go. 3 years seems like forever when you sit and...
If you have seen our previous video, then you know that we went to Rove at the Park Hotel. We went there for a Saturday bench brunch and also to stay there for one night. We took a taxi from the metro station to Rove at the Park Hotel. It is located near the Outlet Village, French Village and other theme parks. As you enter into the hotel, this is what the aesthetic looks like. This is where the front desk is. The check-in time is actually at 4 p.m. and you get to check out at 2 p.m. the next day. After we had our brunch at the daily restaurant, we proceed to check in and explore the rest of the facility in the hotel. There are plenty of seatings and chill out area. They even provide a welcome drink right by the entrance. If you need to use the computer to check in your flights and stuff, they do provide a few iMacs near the front desk as well. This is the daily restaurant that I talked about. You could have breakfast and meals throughout the day here. If you need to leave your bag after you have checked out or before you check in, there are lockers area where you could do that. Right now we are heading to the common area. You have the toilets and prayer room over on this side of the hotel. This is essentially the game room. They have foosballs, ping pongs, Jenga, and a few more on the other side of the room. They also place a Rove cat hut on the outside of this window.
Where the hell did the time go? Take on my passion.
On the yellow walls, there are a couple of TVs where you could play video games.
You and I go. 3 years seems like forever when you...
There's also this arcade game from the 2000 era that you could use as well.
We can't keep melting like gelato. Too much time about to pull back out your condo. Sunshine's made fit, chillin', that's the motto.
Before we go out to the pool area, I was surprised to see not only the snacks vending machine, but also a mini pharmacy type of vending machine.
Summer nights, you're my favorite girl. We can face the world. We stay up until the sunrise. Sometimes you get angrier, things get dangerous. Can't get up and get on my ride.
There are plenty of seatings by the pool and also that giant floating duck.
My sleep, but I can't live without it. We can't keep melting like gelato.
There are also these egg chair that you could enjoy. This is where the female prayer room is. Now we are heading to our bedroom, but we stopped by this shoe polishing machine.
We can take it there.
Now is the room tour of our room. As you walk in, there is this big mirror for you to get ready at. Onto the bedside, you could see this open shelf type of clothing rack.
I'm doing my best to hide these feelings.
These are the beds. There are industrial style night lamps on each side of the bed.
Here for long, so I told myself I should just stay away.
If we move to this side, there's a TV and also a mini bar that has nothing in it. All the drinking water, coffee and teas are free to consume. Inside the drawer is the hair dryer.
Wait for me to say those words, just wait and see. They'll come for sure, too shy to look you in your eyes. I swear that I'm not lying.
This is the view of our room. For your information, we booked this room during a 99 dirham per night promotion. Considering all the facilities that they have, the condition of the room, I would say it's a very good deal.
Wish we were closer, we'll never be close. But I know I should be moving on, 'cause you won't be.
On to the bathroom. The whole aesthetic is very minimal but very clean at the same time. Because of their go green effort, they don't provide any amenities such as toothbrush, so you would have to bring your own. But everything else such as hand soap, shower gel, shampoo, toilet paper, bidet, those are all provided.
To look you in your eyes, I swear that I'm not.
That is all when it comes to bathroom. We also requested for an iron and iron board set.
Time flies way too fast. I've tried to make it last, but you're flying out in a few more days. But you should know that my time with you was all that I wanted my summer to be. And
In the evening, we decided to have a little bit of a walk outside the hotel and head to the outlet village, which is just a walking distance away.
you're special in
A couple of months back, I did make a video about the outlet village if you want to find out about the brands that are available there.
you. Don't feel the same, but I need to get myself.
This time we only got a couple of stuff and some food before we head back to the hotel.
I've been so in love with you.
You could see Rove Hotel from across the road where the outlet village is.
Since the day we met, I've been so in.
After we arrived at the hotel, we decided to check out the gyms because we plan to use the gym the next day. They provide clean towels for you to use and a laundry basket for you to toss it into.
Coffee, pour it over ice. Take it for a walk while we talk about our lives. I just wanna spend some quality time, some quality time. And I don't need a gift, I don't need to know your sign, and we don't need to do something you don't.
Outside of the gym, there's this giant chessboard that you could play. There's a laundry room where you could use the washer, dryer, and also iron.
Really good at saying words, but we can find a way to make them work. What's your favorite kind of movie?
We proceed to hang out at the chill out area before we head back to our room.
I can do to make you mine, baby. I've been trying.
Good morning! As I mentioned, we wanted to come to the gyms, so we did. There are a lot of people at the pool during a summer day.
For a walk while we talk about our lives. I just wanna spend some quality time, some quality.
We did some workout for about 40 minutes and then we head to the daily to have our breakfast.
Some quality time.
The breakfast is not included in the room rate, so we have to pay separately. We got a fish and chip and also steak tenderloin flatbread pizza.
choosing, 'cause I could just spend all my time with you for all my days. So just tell me how I can make you wanna be mine. Tell me what I can try to love you.
Again, we used the entertainer app, so we ended up paying 85 dirham for our breakfast. After that, we asked for the leftover food to be packed and get ready to check out. For your information, the 99 dirham promotion hotel rate ended up being 131 dirham due to taxes, so keep that in mind. After checkout, we waited for Rove shuttle bus, which will take us to Ibn Battuta Mall at 2:15 p.m. It is based on first come first serve basis, so you have to be there early since the seats are limited. Based on the bus schedule, if you are looking to travel from Ibn Battuta Mall to Rove at the park, you could actually wait here and the bus will leave at 3:15 p.m. We dropped by Ibn Battuta Mall for some Baskin Robbins, and overall this is how much we spent on our trip to Rove at the park. Just a little staycation for the two of us. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Struck with the canvas, gotta let the paint dry. Burn blood, make us feel fine. Body heat, make the skin cry. Baby, babe, it's a good night. When we wake up, still on the bedside. Da 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 da.